Jyoti Group of Institutions. Respected Dr. Vimal Agarwal, Director GJIMT, special dignitaries of the dais, members of media, guests, my colleagues, students, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 8th HR Summit organized by the Jyoti Group of Institutions. Years ago, going back 4 decades, Mr. J.S. Bedi envisioned the idea of setting up institutions of academic excellence, which were further a ground for creating true human beings with realization of their moral, social, and professional responsibilities. Education, we know, is an outgrowth of needs of civilization at any given time. But here is an example where a person thought in the paradigms of sustainability and globally responsible citizenship much before the winds of liberalization and globalization had swept the country and eco-responsibility has become a buzzword. Mr. Bedi, with his innovative spirit and efforts that always aim at perfection, that he leads the group of institutions in the region that have a singular distinction of providing education on wide gamut from kindergarten to doctorate level. Gyanjyotians, an ever-enlarging community, are always in touch with us, sharing their novel experiences and dwelling upon their creative contribution to profession, society, families, and themselves, and in terms of their self-growth and self-actualization. We are proud of each one of them. Here of this gathering, we have once again gathered in the true spirit enshrined in our legacy to add another chapter to the history of the parent body. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a momentous journey where at Gyanjyoti and many business organizations have traversed. Things have changed tremendously in the environment, especially the business landscape. The Indian economy is increasingly getting linked with the global economy. This is what is creating the transient business environment. An exemplary leader who has walked the talk, Mr. Vineet Mayer, former CEO of HCL Technologies Limited. He reversed the conventional logic by espousing the cause of employees first and customers second. Perhaps it is the phenomenon of fast-paced change that has prompted him to do so. What this reflects is that significant strategic shifts are transforming the playing field. The fate of business future rests in part on how well business leaders can anticipate change, demonstrate authentic leadership, maximize the power of their talent, and embrace social responsibility. Successful business leaders must shape their organization to be more nimble and flexible, less hierarchical, and more networked. In short, better organized to deliver value. As they rightly say, hierarchy may never made anyone feel good except the people at the top. Friends, the purpose of leadership is progress. Leadership in business, whether in present or future, therefore has to be ethical and effective. Self-awareness is believed to be the elusive soul of leadership. Self-awareness in knowing who you are and having the integrity and personal qualities necessary. Self-awareness does not mean that you must be a saint in business. This is not the formula for success. But it does mean you need to have unusual personal qualities. It means being semi-detached, able to step out of yourself and out of any particular time and place. Being able to subordinate to your powerful ego, knowing when to act and when to hold back. It means being true to yourself and everybody else. PricewaterhouseCoopers have identified 4 key areas that business leaders need to focus on. Business leaders can improve the way they do business through agility, authenticity, talent, and sustainability. Mark Yarner, the network marketing and motivation expert, has said, and I quote, "A leader is someone who demonstrates what's possible. Leadership is something which does not come by title or position. True leadership is one which comes from respect and admiration, one which leads by example. True leaders do not create followers, they create more leaders. They are admired, not feared. You can lead without a title because leadership is less about a position and more about your mindset.